You need to learn about one of the best ways to make money online that works for everyone on the internet, regardless of their location, and requires no social media followers, networking, affiliate marketing, or anything else. To pursue this, you don't even need any prior experience. Do you want to know how to do it? In today's video, I'll show you an approach that you probably never thought would help you make money. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end to learn how to make money fast with 3 websites I'll show you. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Step 1 is to go to google.com. Then, step 2 is to navigate the web page to search for Google News with this. Let me give you a little tip. You can see here that there's a domain that contains the most recent and most updated news, which is news.google.com. Here's the first website that you'll see from the search results. Here, you can find a wide range and numerous variety of topics and news, just like that of a newspaper, if you're looking for entertainment news, or science news, or health news, sport news, tech business, or anything according to your liking. I want you to concentrate on business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. Now, click on health and you'll see that the results will show you the most up-to-date and relevant news articles about health. Feel free to explore and scroll down to locate an item that interests you. Now, for example, because this article was only recently published, simply click on it and copy the article's content as shown below. After that, we're ready to move on to step 3, which needs us to visit another website. For this step, I'd like you to go to spinbot.com. Simply put the content of the article into the space provided above, and Spinbot will rewrite the entire article for you. You will then have a total new article that is unique and original. You'll be using those articles on 3 more websites, which I'll go over with you in a minute, and those websites will of course pay you for them, and some of them will even pay you for every word in the article. You will now use the reconstructed article as we move on to the next 3 websites where you'll begin making money. For the first website that I'll show you, you'll submit the reconstructed articles, or you can design your own articles and then submit them yourself. The website is called Eatwellcom. You may not enjoy writing long articles or news columns, which is why I taught you about Spinbot. You can simply copy and paste articles from the internet and then reconstruct them using the website, and Eatwell.com will pay you up to $1 per word. For example, if your article contains 1,000 words and you're paid $1 per word, that is probably the easiest $1,000 you've ever made, because all you had to do was copy and paste. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. So, if you're still unsure, just let me show you how to submit an article on Eatwell.com. Navigate to the bottom of the page and look for their email address under the heading Contact Us. Copy that email address and paste it into the recipient line for your email. Compose your email with the content being the reconstructed article and finally put article submission in the subject line. Your message is now complete, and all you have to do is send it. If they like your article after they reviewed it, they will send you an email asking for your payment information. If you prefer to be paid through PayPal, simply tell them your account details to claim your money. However, if you do not have PayPal or do not wish to be paid through PayPal, you can claim your money through your bank account via bank transfer. Simply give them your bank information and the money will be ready for you. There's more. There are other websites where you may post your articles, which brings us to the second website that I'll be sharing with you. SierraCluborg is the second website where you can earn money by submitting reconstructed articles. Simply go to their official website and find everything you need to know. Read the instructions and follow that instructions carefully. Then send your articles to their email address. Simply repeat the process that you went through with Eatwellcom, but this time you'll be sending it to SierraCluborg. Here's a tip. Instead of Eatwellcom, where they only take health and fitness related articles, you may widen your article selection here with topics connected to technology and science. So, go back to Google News and find stories relevant for these for greater results in making money. Finally, Dailystororg is the final website where you can submit your articles. Simply go to their website, read the guidelines, and then follow the instructions. Unlike the two previous websites, this website will only pay you 31 cents per word, but it's still a pretty good deal, considering you don't have to do much. If 31 cents per word seems cheap to you, let me assure you that you can make more money by submitting more articles. So that's the approach for today's video. As I previously stated, it's quite simple and you can do it even if you have no prior experience or expertise. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next